Okay, so now we're looking at Selma. And Selma's class is making care packages to give to victims of a natural disaster. Selma takes 5 minutes to pack a box and has already packed 12 boxes. How many boxes did she pack in 122 minutes? Okay, so again, our kind of key things here. She's taking 5 minutes to pack a box. She already has 12 boxes, and then we want to know how many boxes did she pack in that amount of time. Okay, so again, our question is going to help us to know. So this is going to be number of boxes. X is going to be the number of boxes. Okay, or if you said how many boxes, right? That's fine. But number of boxes. And then our equation, what do you think? So like in our first one, 382 is what it equals. What do you think it's going to equal here? Good, 122. What do you think is going to be, like the last one was she had $667. What do you think is going to be that number this time? 12, which means 5 goes next to X. Good. All right, so then we start solving. So if we draw our line, what's the first thing we're going to do? Minus 12. 122 minus 12. The good news is it's a little bit easier math for Ms. Sherman on this one until I have to divide by 5. All right, and then our last step is to divide by 5. Gosh darn it, I did the same thing. I need to solve it over here. So sorry, y'all. And 110 divided by 5 is 22. That sounds about right. Yep. All right. So again, what does that mean? How would you write that? So Selma, something along these lines, right? Selma packed 22 boxes in 122 minutes. Okay? So again, as long as you have something along those lines, that's fine. It does not have to be that exact thing, but something that says sort of that. Okay? All right. Going on to the last few problems here. So Miss Peacock and Miss Sherman are looking to join a yoga studio. We're going to get our yogi on. All right, the cost is below for the yoga studio we're looking at. After how many months would it cost each of us $218? So I want you to kind of try this one, right? Figure out what X equals, figure out what your equation is, and then come back, see if you got those two things before you solve it. Welcome back. All right, so again, key piece here, right? Number of months